The common perception of an entrepreneur is someone who starts businesses, takes financial risk for profit, and enjoys the perks of being their own boss. However, this idealized view masks the strenuous and challenging path to success. So today I'll take you to prepping for entrepreneurship. 7 steps you can't skip. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and dial the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. The initial years of starting a business are far from glamorous. They are characterized by relentless hard work, long working hours, and the exposure of many weaknesses all at once. Entrepreneurs often find themselves juggling numerous tasks and responsibilities simultaneously, all while facing the harsh reality of the odds stacked against their favor. Furthermore, some entrepreneurs may have families to support, adding an additional layer of complexity to their already demanding lives. Entrepreneurship is about stepping out of your comfort zone and security and then plunging headfirst into the world of risk, discipline, and relentless effort. While the eventual rewards can be enticing, the early stages of entrepreneurship can be grueling and unforgiving. However, there are several steps individuals can take to prepare themselves for this challenging journey and improve their chances of success. Number 1. Embrace work ethic and focus. One of the defining characteristics of a successful entrepreneur is the ability to maintain unwavering focus and a strong work ethic. Entrepreneurship often involves juggling multiple tasks, seizing opportunities, and managing a myriad of responsibilities. However, the adage, "Jack of all trades, master of none," holds true in the entrepreneurial world. To achieve lasting success, it's crucial to prioritize your focus on one primary endeavor rather than attempting to manage a multitude of projects simultaneously. The focus allows you to allocate your time, energy, and resources efficiently. Your business plan becomes your compass, guiding you towards your ultimate goal while filtering out distractions. Equally important is developing a robust work ethic. Entrepreneurship demands a level of dedication and commitment that may be unfamiliar to many. It's not uncommon for entrepreneurs to work tirelessly, dedicating 80 to 100 hours per week to their ventures. Such an intense work schedule can be physically and mentally taxing, making it essential to assess your own limits and responsibilities. Number 2. Seek mentorship. Before embarking on your entrepreneurial journey, it is immensely beneficial to have a mentor or a network of experienced entrepreneurs and aspiring business leaders. The people you surround yourself with profoundly influence your growth and development. Associating with like-minded individuals who are dedicated to personal and professional growth can provide valuable insights and guidance. Look for mentors who align with your goals and values, individuals you respect and admire for their achievements. It's important to note that mentorship is not a one-sided relationship. It's a mutually beneficial exchange. While seasoned entrepreneurs can offer guidance and wisdom, aspiring entrepreneurs can provide fresh perspectives and enthusiasm. When seeking mentorship, remember that no one owes you their time or knowledge for free. Be prepared to offer value in return for the mentorship you receive. As you grow and demonstrate your commitment to learning and growth, you may find opportunities to work alongside those you admire. Mentorship not only provides valuable insights, but also serves as a source of motivation and accountability. Knowing that you have someone to turn to for advice and guidance can keep you motivated and excited to face the challenges of entrepreneurship. Number 3, learn to motivate yourself and others. As an entrepreneur, the ability to motivate yourself and inspire others is an invaluable skill. If you have aspirations of managing a team and leading employees, developing leadership skills is essential. Central to effective leadership is the capacity to motivate and rally your team, keeping them engaged and enthusiastic about their work. However, before you can effectively motivate others, you must first master the art of self-motivation. Self-motivation is an integral part of achieving success. While motivational videos on platforms like YouTube can certainly provide short-term inspiration, they are not the panacea for those dark moments when everything seems to conspire against you. The truth is, no one understands your unique circumstances, mission, and challenges better than you do. Only you can pull yourself out of those challenging situations and overcome the feelings of despair. Self-motivation involves tapping into your inner drive, reminding yourself why you embarked on this entrepreneurial journey, and devising strategies to push forward, even when the path gets tough. While motivational content can offer a temporary boost, it should not be your sole source of motivation. Relying on external sources for motivation is akin to trying to fill a leaky bucket with water. It's unsustainable in the long run. Therefore, aspiring entrepreneurs must cultivate their internal reservoirs of motivation, honing the ability to inspire themselves through the inevitable highs and lows of their journey. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 4, understanding your market. Depending on the niche you intend to enter, conducting thorough market research is essential. This process cannot be outsourced or taken lightly, as entrepreneurs often find themselves making critical decisions that impact their business's fate. To draw a parallel to military strategy, entrepreneurs must approach their market with the same diligence as a soldier preparing to attack an enemy base. This involves gathering comprehensive information about the industry, understanding competitor strategies, and identifying potential opportunities and threats. The more knowledge you possess about your industry and niche, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions, predict market trends, and adapt to changing circumstances. Developing strong researching skills is essential for entrepreneurs. In an era of information overload, knowing how to find and analyze relevant data is a valuable asset. Mastery of the skill will enable entrepreneurs to stay ahead in their industry and make well-informed decisions. Number 5. Crafting a strategic business plan. Once you have a thorough understanding of your market, it's time to create a strategic business plan. This document is far more than just a tool to secure funding from banks. It serves as your business's mission, goals, strategy, and model. Clarity is paramount in the business world, where complexity and stress can easily overwhelm even the most seasoned entrepreneurs. A well-structured business plan becomes a guiding beacon, helping you stay on course when faced with confusion or uncertainty. When you find yourself at a crossroads, refer to your business plan to determine whether your current actions align with your goals and strategy. Number 6. Master the art of selling. In the world of entrepreneurship, selling is not merely the exchange of a product or service for money. It is a multifaceted skill encompassing the ability to convey the value of your offerings, persuade potential customers, and equally important, sell yourself and your ideas. Whether you're engaging in business meetings, pitching to investors, or recruiting employees, you are in essence selling your vision and your business model. To excel in this arena, you must practice and hone your sales skills continuously. Effective selling revolves around understanding your audience's needs and providing solutions to their problems. It's about crafting a compelling narrative that resonates with your target market, demonstrating how your product or service can address their specific needs and concerns. As the CEO of your business, mastering the art of selling not only enhances your ability to attract customers, but also improves your decision-making skills. Consider this: when launching a marketing campaign, the success of your endeavor largely depends on your ability to persuade and influence people. Whether you are trying to convince customers to choose your product or investors to fund your venture, your sales skills will be the driving force behind your success. Practice the art of selling by engaging in active listening, asking probing questions, and demonstrating genuine empathy and care for your clients. And then we have number 7, practice money management. Entrepreneurship is intrinsically linked to managing finances. Entrepreneurs must contend with the ebb and flow of their financial resources, experiencing both prosperous periods and unforeseen setbacks. In such an environment, Having financial foresight and the ability to manage money effectively becomes paramount. Effective money management is not merely about accumulating wealth, it's about mastering the discipline and knowledge required to handle finances judiciously. Like any skill, money management can be learned and honed through practice. One helpful technique for practicing money management is the buckets approach. Imagine dividing your income into four virtual buckets. The first bucket is essentials, which is 50 to 60%. This bucket contains all the expenses necessary for your basic survival, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and essential items. It excludes discretionary spending like streaming subscriptions or non-essential luxuries. The second bucket is emergency funds, which is 10%. Allocate a small percentage of your income to this bucket. It serves as a safety net for unexpected financial challenges, providing you with a cushion to fall back on when emergencies arise. Next is investments, which is 20%. This bucket is dedicated to growing your wealth. Investments can take various forms, from stocks and real estate to other income generating assets. These investments aim to secure your financial future and provide financial stability in the medium to long term. And finally, we have entertainment and fun, which is 10%. Set aside a portion of your income for leisure and enjoyment. This bucket allows you to indulge in entertainment, hobbies, and other non-essential expenses without jeopardizing your financial stability. This bucket approach helps you maintain financial discipline and ensures that you prioritize your financial well-being. It strikes a balance between essential needs, savings, wealth building, and enjoyment. Well, that's basically prepping for entrepreneurship. 7 steps you can't skip. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.